Who want done with this mass wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead, I go dead, and who not go dead, just for just live.
From we born in the struggle, isolated in our bubble. One half for the rich, yet another for the poor.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now, the topic we are gonna talk about is Buju Banton come out freely and say, yo, him now wear no mask. And Jamaican people, them really need to wise up. But before we talk about that, be sure to follow the Chaddy More TV page over on Instagram. So the @ is I am DJ Chaddy. So that's @ I am DJ CHADDY. Alright people, make we go in it right now.
Oh, money for the and when them send it offshore. And every nation come here get rich and we stay poor.
So that song is entitled Under the Pressure by Koffee and Buju Banton. Now, before we talk about that song, we are going to have a look at what Buju Banton had to say about the whole mask wearing thing, the whole coronavirus thing. I guess Buju Banton just drop some knowledge on the people. I tell the Jamaican people themselves he wise up. So people, check it out and then we are going to have a discussion about it.
Well, someone side I and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright and everything can't alright. Who want done with this mass wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead, I go dead, and who not go dead, just for just live. With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart, why you haven't found a cure for cancer. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January with about I'm fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now. They thought you to love Michael Jackson. Then they thought you to hate Michael Jackson. They thought you to love Bill Cosby. Then they thought you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times? So why should we believe them now? Why? How ironic it is that this virus actually is more intelligent than man. It like it move and follow in certain individuals wherever they go. My people, you better wake up because you go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, And from on selling a vote, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before you reach the precipice. My love for you supersede all that this world has to offer. I will not join the other entertainers and trick you. I will not lead you down a path of destruction. I've always been sincere and true to you, my people. A lot of people are benefiting by touting and pushing my people down to a path that is totally destructive. Here in Jamaica, here in America, I don't care. My life is not mine. It has never been. So hear me, my people. While I'm here with you, stand up,
So while I don't totally agree with everything that Buju Banton say, Buju Banton definitely make some valid point. Me really feel like this corona thing where them unleash on the land, it have a bigger motive. You see me? I really believe people just get up and are dead, so like nothing. I really believe say Jamaican people need to wake up. Wake up and look what go on. Look on even the incident we are going over by Nigeria where the police them just kill off the people them. So it's like every other week you hear protesters demonstrate over another issue. But it always involve black people, the killing of black people. You see me? I really feel like so if you look into those stuff. Now, one thing where Buju Banton say I totally agree with and at this.
But now we're no mask.
No, Buju Banton, I don't know about you, but anytime me I go up on the road, me definitely I walk with my mask. I mean, just I walk with it. Me I wear it over me nose and over my mouth. So, me I wear my mask. Buju Banton, I don't totally agree with that way I say. One might say, but Chaddy, this corona thing in a really it's just an illusion and probably one right, but that's another discussion for today. I feel like say the mask, it helps. It definitely helps. Based on the studies where me see people do and the findings and them thing them. I feel like say wearing a mask do help. But then again, are them same people that do the studies. So we don't really know if this is all a lie or what. People want to talk to me in the comment section below.
We better wake up because we go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, you know. And from selling a vote, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before we reach a precipice.
Alright, this what Buju Banton has said, me definitely agree with it. We need to wise up, we need to open our eyes them and look around and see what go on. Nobody can tell me nothing. This is definitely a plot to take out the less or not less fortunate, but me should have say take out the minority people. As I said earlier on in the review, too much protests are going around the world. If we even want to turn to the Bible days, you know, them talk about them things in the Bible say in the ending of the day, them things are going to go on and all those things. So let me know in the comment section what you think about what Buju Banton said and what you really think about these bag of protests, the corona argument and everything, the no mask wearing of it. Just tell me what you think about that. Now people, we are going to take a look at Koffee and Buju Banton new song entitled Pressure.
Under the pressure, yeah, under the pressure.
For far too long now, black people get pressure. You see me? Them enslaved with over 400 and odd years. Yet still in a 2020, we still have things like racism, police brutality, and all of them things there, yo. No, black people, we need to stand up, we need to stand together. Because only so, we are going to overcome this thing we call racism. You see me? Far too long. And me have to say, Koffee, me really respect you on this track. Even the feeling of this track and everything, it just sound olden back in the days. It give me a long time vibe and a long time feeling. Even though we don't know say it's new school. But the song itself just sound like say, yo, the producer them, everybody just go back to the roots. And then you can't go back to the roots with a song like this and you remix it and don't have a man like Buju Banton on the remix.
God bless and please help us, we can't take no more. We're feeling the pressure, we are down to the core.
Alright, me know the song bad and everything, but we want to take a look at the music video, at that particular clip. In the music video, and me are telling the people, that part they touch me. So a woman and a little boy walk up on a step and go touch what appears to be a window. And on the other side of that window is a elder. So right now that a paint a picture say, yo, the man lock up in him house and can't come out. Because from the beginning of this pandemic thing, you hear say, yo, it really affect old people and them thing there. Even in Jamaica right now, if you're over 65, you should not be outside of your house. And next part of the music video, we are going to look at a... you know what? Make we play it first and then we talk about it. Watch this part.
Yeah, under the pressure, if you're poor, you'll be taken away now.
No people, we don't want to take nothing from the song or nothing from the music video or nothing like that. It's a very well put together music video and this song is flawless. But people, when me watch the music video, me happen to see that gay pride flag over there. And I said to myself, Buju Banton and Koffee, I sing a song. And then I said to myself, them people could have used any other protest clip. You see me? 1,000,001 clips out there without that flag. But yet still, them put it in the music video. Bear in mind, a music video with Buju Banton. The same man will sing Boom Bye Bye. The same man will lock away because of them same people. And Koffee. Where Koffee under the pressure from the other day because the people must say, oh, she dressed and thing. Anyway, we are gonna left it right there. So, more to tell me in the comment section what you think about all of that. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way. any other way or the wrong way, my gone.